Hi, Ron Jordan here for Wolfhill Woodworking. Just a little demo on our only stand for mountain dulcimer and how to open it up. This is pretty much what it's going to look like when you receive it in the mail from us. A couple snaps to hold it together. It's best if you attach those. They don't get in the way when you close it back up. You simply pull the stand forward, spread it out. Stand should be pretty much at a 90-degree angle. On the one side, there are the bungee cords that we'll get into later on how to set up your dulcimer on the stand. And for packaging it up, obviously it's just going to be the reverse, but you do need to lift the straps forward. This is opposite of our hammer dulcimer stand. Just slide it shut, and then the snaps go around. And then you're ready to head off to the next gig or wherever you're going. And again, we have the strap and the shoulder strap.